I will be picking up where we left at the last tutorial. You can go watch it or download the source code in the description. There are several ways to draw to the screen in SFML, the easiest of which are the built-in shapes. The first one I'd like to show you is the SF rectangle shape. Let's create one and draw it to the screen. We will put this outside the game loop so the object is only created once, and we can specify a size within the constructor parameters. We can call the window draw function between the window clear and the window display. If you run it now, this is what you would get. You can go further now and change the fill color of the rectangle like this. And you can also set its position, and you can also change the size again after having created it. Let's move on to the next built-in shape, which is the SF circle shape. This object takes as a first parameter a radius, so let's put 80 pixels. Let's choose the color red and put it at position 200x and 200y. We can now add an outline to our shape by calling the set outline thickness, and we can change the outline color by calling the set outline color. These are available for the rectangle shape as well. If you want to create a triangle, hexagon or octagon, you can do so by adding one more variable to the circle shape constructor to define the number of sides. We can also rotate the shapes by calling the rotate function. So let's make the triangle spin. To ensure that it runs at the same speed on any computer, let's set the window set frame limit to 60. You can also make it rotate around another point by calling the set origin function. This is it for the basics of rendering shapes in SFML. Next tutorial we will be looking at the basics of events, but first, here's a quick assignment. Good luck and see you in the next one.